Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with the MarineMax store here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2021 Mastercraft X24. Starting on the back of the boat, you can see we have the rear lounge seats here with the flip-up backrest and the fold-out footrest. The boat has a white hull, and then we have black on the second part of the hull, and then we went with the silver metal flake that I'll show you wraps around the boat and comes around the back of the side here. We have the fiberglass swim deck with the sea deck on it. This boat has the rear transom remote, and then coming up here, that actually is a heater for your towels or life jackets. Could probably use it for a cooler, but the ice might melt kind of quickly. While I'm in the back of the boat, this boat is equipped with this 6.2 liter 430 horsepower motor, direct injection, so ample amount of power for this size of boat. Right here you see we have the removable ski tow bar, so you can put that in for tubing and skiing. Very easy. I'm going to step on through here, take you through the inside of the boat. This boat's equipped with the reverse fold couch, so you can sit backwards, and then it really easy pops down into a nice flat sun pad. And then you have the four cup holders right there, very convenient. On this side, you have storage under here with a another pop-up back seat, and then a cooler stowed away, hidden under here for you for your convenience. And coming around to this side here, you have a nice flip-up storage and another flip-up back seat. And under this seat here, flip-up storage on the side that goes all the way through. Over here on the helm, because this boat is equipped with the advanced audio, you have the dual screens with the GoPro and the reverse facing camera. And then you also have the wireless phone charger. And with the advanced audio, you get the dash Klish speakers, 4 Klish 6-inch cockpit speakers, and then you get the 2 subwoofers also up here on the tower, the Klish 2 tower speakers. This is equipped with the ZF4 easy fold down tower with wakeboard swivel racks, easy clamping here, and it also comes with the side tow mount for surfing. Coming on through, as you can see on this boat, we have equipped it with the Decadence flooring. Boat has heaters, heated seats, heated passenger seat. Here's your hidden trash can. It has the air dam door that folds across here. Front fold windshield, and this has the BTS performance windshield. Up in the bow, you got your front bow here with the fold down armrest, plenty of cup holders. Again, you see the 2 Klish speakers. This is a locker storage for your anchor, and then you have the nice tie off here on the front cleat. We went with the white interior for the main base with a cool fill black and a cool fill cloud gray on the interior of this boat. So come on out to MarineMax here in Greenville and check this X24 out. Or check us out online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Love to have you guys come out and check out this 2021 Mastercraft X24. We have a few left for the rest of the summer, so come on out. Thank you so much.